Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the maximum of two numbers. Suppose 10 and 20 are given. We all know 20 is the maximum number, largest number. But how to write a code in this program, I will show you. I will show you there are two methods by which you can write. I will show you both the methods. First of all, let me show you the first method. I have to input two numbers a and b. A equals to int. We all know you have to typecast. I already said in my previous video that how to take an input. Enter number 1. Okay. Enter number 1. Done. Let me copy this and put this in B. Copy this and put this in B. Let me do here B and let me give here number 2. Okay, done. That's it. Okay, I have taken two inputs. Now I have to check if, remember this, if A greater than B. If A is greater than B, okay, then what will it do? It will print A. Simple. Then or else print B. Just a simple. Okay. Else print B. Okay. Else print B. That's all. Number 1, suppose I give 10. Number 2, suppose I give 20. See, 20 is the largest number. So 20 is printed. Okay. This is one method. Now let me show you another method. I already said I will show both methods. Let me write this in a comment. Let me take this program in a comment. Now let me show you. Let me do one thing. Let me keep this just in a comment. Just let me keep this in a comment. So there are two inputs A and B. Now you can do is that you can use a max function. In Python we have a max function. So the code can be completed in one line or rather two lines. So I will show you that. I'm just taking maximum. You can take anything as you wish. I'm just taking maximum. Maximum equals to, I will use the max function, max A comma B. Okay. Then simple print. What print? Print maximum. Print maximum. Okay, done. Now let's see the output. Let me take it as 100 and let me take this at 200. See, 200 is the output. So see, I showed you the two methods how to find the maximum number, or rather you can say the largest number, by using the max function or just by the if else statements. Okay, so Python has a feature that is the max function. Okay, just a basic program you can easily understand. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will reply. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.